Hi guys, welcome to Websites Tools. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to create refund pop-ups for your online store or e-commerce store. So while social proof pop-up notifications are largely used to show proof of sale or conversion counters, the volume of sale, largely to build trust and credibility. Did you know that over 90% of online visitors also look at refunds? A transparent refund process as a serious trust signal, or that improves your trust and credibility score. So in this video, I'm going to use Shopify to show you a quick example on how you can show refund pop-ups in real time as they happen on your store. So your online visitors can actually see that there are also refunds being processed on your store. So let's quickly go into our website tools dashboard. I have already logged into my account. Okay, so I'm quickly going to go into my campaign. Okay, so here I have already created a pop-up called refund pop-up. So you have to go and click on create notifications and then select the latest conversion pop-up. So and then you can customize it. So I have already done the basic customization. More details on how to set up your customizations and settings I've explained in the earlier tutorial videos. So you might want to go and check that out. Okay, so here we go to the data tab and we copy this webhook URL here, and then we go into our Shopify admin dashboard. Okay, so you have to click on settings at the bottom and then it will open up this settings page. So you scroll down to notifications. Yeah, notifications. Okay, and then we create a new webhook. Okay, and sorry, not, yeah, now it's notification. So we scroll all the way to the bottom. All right, so I've already created a refund. So you have to click on create webhook and then it will pop up this. So you can select the refund create option from the list of events and then paste the URL here. All right. So you just hit send test notification. All right. And when you go back into your websites tools dashboard under the pop-up notification data tab, you should see that a new test notification has been created. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's one. Okay, this I created about an hour back or so, and this one's right here now. So now let's go into our websites tools. Shopify store and refresh this page. We should see this pop-up come up sometime. So yeah, there it is. Refund completed, USD 25.99 for one quantity. Screen, the description, and then you can even put the reason things were damaged. You can see it's 39 seconds ago. Right. So that's how you do it. And uh, if you have any queries, you can go into our help desk. You can click on the purple widget at the bottom of right hand corner, and it will take you to all the help desk that you need. Okay. So in the meantime, on your websites tools notification settings, you can also customize the URL if you want, so that when somebody clicks on that pop-up, it will go to that refund page. If that's what you want, you can put that URL here. If you want an image, you can put an image here. All right. So that's about it. All right, friends. So if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, so please go ahead and click on the link below and subscribe. Thank you.